Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we're taking a look at how to create a new Microsoft 365 user from within the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. The first thing you want to do is to open your web browser and navigate to admin.microsoft.com and log in by using your administrator credentials. On the left-hand navigation menu, click on Users, then Active Users. This will provide the list of available users on the main screen. To add a single user, click on the Add a User button on the top of the page underneath the Active Users label. On the Set Up the Basics page, fill in the first name, last name, display name, username, and domain for the new user. Also decide which checkboxes to check and more specifically choose the following. The first one is automatically create a password. Check this option if you need the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to automatically allocate a new temporary password to the new user. The next one is require this user to change their password when they first sign in. This is highly recommended, as you would normally expect that the user change the temporary password which you initially sent to a strong password only they will know. The last one is send password and email upon completion. Combined with the previous checkbox, this is the most secure option since you would not have to share the temporary password over any other non-secure means. Enter the email address to which the new password will be set in the generated text box. After having filled in all required information, click on Next to continue. On the Assign Product Licenses page, select the user location and choose whether a Microsoft 365 license will be assigned to the user by ticking the appropriate checkbox or if the user will be created without a product license. We'll be providing the user with a Microsoft 365 Business Standard license. There's also an Apps section where you can select specific applications that you want the user to have access to. For the Microsoft 365 Business Standard license, there's roughly 29 available. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click on Next to continue. On the Optional Settings page, you can choose whether the new user will have any additional Microsoft 365 roles, such as Exchange Administrator, Global Administrator, or Global Reader. For this example, we won't grant the user admin access. Click Next to continue. This will lead you to the Review and Finish page. Fill in any additional user profile information if you wish to. Review all user information and click Finish Adding. Your new user should now appear in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center Active Users homepage.